Hello students, today we are going to discuss about exercise 6.1 of class 12. Student, this exercise is related to the topic rate of change. So see how can we solve questions of this exercise. First question is, find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius when radius is equal to 3 centimeter and second time when radius is equal to 4 centimeter. So see how can we solve this question. Question is saying the rate of change of area. Rate of change of area. Rate of change of area of circle is increasing. So we can say कि radius is totally depend upon, we can say area of circle is totally depend upon directly proportional to radius of circle. When radius is increasing, then according to radius we can say area of circle will increase. Okay, so we can write the area of circle A is equal to pi r square. We know formula of area of circle. Actually we want to connect area of circle with the radius of circle. Then area of circle is equal to what? Pi r square. So see, you can see here that this formula is connecting area of circle with radius of circle. Now differentiate with respect to r. Then dA upon dr is equal to 2 pi r. dA upon dr is equal to 2 pi r. Now we are getting what? dA upon dr, and dA upon dr means rate of change of area. So now we can find the rate of change of area by putting different value of r in, you can say, in 2 pi r. So first case, when radius is equal to 3 centimeter, the rate of change of area dA upon dr is equal to 6. Put 3 here, then 3 to just 6 pi, and rate of change of area is what? Centimeter square with respect of radius. Second part is what? Second part is when radius is equal to 4 centimeter, implies rate of change of area is equal to, put here 4, then 2 4 ja 8 pi centimeter square upon centimeter. So student, please note down first question of exercise 6.1. Now see next question. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. In second question, we have one cube. Suppose that length is what? Your side is x centimeter. So suppose that length of cube is equal to x centimeter. So question is saying the rate of change of cube, volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So dV upon dt is given. 8 centimeter cube per second. So students, dV upon dt dV upon dt is what? dV upon dt is what? Rate of change of volume. Rate of change of volume, because it is given in your question that what? Rate of change of volume. So volume is what? Volume is continuously increasing with respect to time, and amount of rate of change of volume is given here 8 centimeter cube per second. It means per second 8 centimeter cube is what? Increasing. So question is saying how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. See student, question is saying when rate of change of volume is what? 8 centimeter cube per second. Then find what? Rate of change of surface area when edge is 12 centimeter. So we know student, rate of change of surface area, rate of change of surface area. Question is asking about ds upon dt. ds upon dt, where s is what? Surface area cube. So student, we know surface area of cube. We know surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. 6 into side square. 6 into side square. Or we can write surface area of cube S is equal to 6 into x square. So with C student, we know dV upon dt. We want to find what? ds upon dt. See how can we find? Volume of cube V is equal to what? Side cube. So differentiate volume with respect to time. Then dV upon dt is equal to 3x square into dx upon dt. dx upon dt. And we know value of dV upon dt it is already given in your question, which is what? 8 centimeter cube per second. Then right here 8 is equal to 3x square dx upon dt implies what? dx upon dt is equal to 8 upon 3x square. 8 upon 3x square. Now see student, we know what? We know value of dx upon dt. Now again differentiate what? Surface area with respect to time. Then it becomes what? ds upon dt is equal to to 12x into dx upon dt. And student, now see, we know value of dx upon dt. dx upon dt is what? 3x square. So on the place of dx upon dt, write what? ds upon dt is equal to 12x into 8 upon 3x square. 3x square. And student, it is given in your question, find the rate of change of surface area when edge is what? 12 centimeter. So value of x cancel. So finally we have 12 into 8 upon 3x, and x is given here 12 centimeter. Not 12 cancel. Finally value of ds upon dt is coming what? 8 upon 3, and unit of surface area is what? Centimeter square, and we are differentiating with respect to time, then write second. So student, please note down solution of question number 2. Now see next question. Next question is question number 3. The radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. The radius of circle is increasing. So student, again we will discuss about one circle, and we know that especially in the case of rate of change of circle, the area of circle is what? Directly proportional to radius of your circle. It is given in your question, the radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. It is given in the question dr upon dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. So firstly suppose that radius of circle, suppose that radius of circle is equal to r centimeter. Now we know formula, area of circle is equal to, area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to time. It becomes dA upon dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr upon dt. And students, see here, value of dr upon dt is already given in your question, which is what? Which is 3 centimeter per second. So just write what? Just write value of dr upon dt 3 centimeter. Now student, question is saying find the rate of change of area of circle when radius is given 10 centimeter. So just put the value of radius, which is given here 10 centimeter. Then it becomes what? It becomes 60 pi, and see how can we find unit. We are finding area, then write centimeter square per second. So student, please note down solution of question number 3. Now see next question, and next question is question number 4. See, next question is question number 4. An age is variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Student, again given the length dx upon dt is given here 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of cube increasing when side is 10 centimeter long? So again student, we will draw the diagram of one cube, and suppose length of edge of cube is equal to x centimeter. So let side of cube is equal to x centimeter. Now see student, rate of change of side of cube is given here 3 centimeter per second, and asking about the rate of change of volume when side is given 10 centimeter. So student, we know relation between volume and side of cube. So V is equal to what? V is equal to side cube. Now differentiating both sides with respect to time, then dV upon dt is equal to 3x square into dx upon dt. And now we will put the value of dx upon dt. Dx upon dt is given here 3, then it becomes 9x square, and when we are putting the value of we are putting the value of x, which is what, which is given 10 centimeter, then 3 into 10 square is equal to 900, and see how can we write unit. We are differentiating what? We are differentiating volume with respect to time, then volume of cube is equal to centimeter cube per second. So student, please note down solution of question number 4. Now see next question. Now see next question. Next question is question number 5. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into the quiet lake and waves move in the circle at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So student, again see, again we are discussing about what? One circle, okay, and we know that in the case of rate of change of circle, area is what? Directly proportional to radius, and it is given in your question dr upon dt. Rate of change of radius is given. Rate of change of radius is given 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second. And asking about area, then let radius of circle, yes, let radius of circle is equal to r centimeter. Radius of circle is what? R centimeter. And dr upon dt is given here 5 centimeter per second. Right. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Now differentiating both sides with respect to time, then it becomes dA upon dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr upon dt. And see student, we know value of dr upon dt. Dr upon dt is what? 5 centimeter per second. Then write dA upon dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr upon dt, and dr upon dt is what? 5, which is equal to 10 pi r. And see, question is saying when the value of r is what? 8 centimeter, when value of r is what? 8 centimeter, then it becomes 10 pi into 8 is equal to 80 pi. And see, we are finding what? Area of circle, then write centimeter is square, and we are differentiating with respect of time, then centimeter square per second. So student, please note down solution of question number 5. Now see next question. Next question is question number 7. Next question is, try to solve question number 6. Next question is question number 7. See, question number 7 is the length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per second when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change of perimeter and rectangle of area of rectangle. In this question we are discussing about one rectangle. Suppose that let length of rectangle is equal to x centimeter, and breadth of rectangle is what? Breadth of rectangle is what? Y centimeter. So see, we know length and breadth. Length is what? X centimeter, and breadth is what? Y centimeter. According to question, we can write dx upon dt, rate of change of length of rectangle. So see, it is given in your question, the length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of, decreasing means write minus sign, decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Rate of change of length of rectangle is given what? Minus 5 centimeter per minute, and dy upon dt is already given, which is what? 4 centimeter per minute. So see student, question is saying find the change in perimeter. So we know that perimeter of rectangle P is equal to 2 times L plus B, and we know value of L and B here, X and Y. So now differentiate both sides with respect to time. So see, when we are differentiating both sides with respect to time, then it becomes dp upon dt is equal to 2 in bracket dx upon dt plus dy upon dt. And see student, we will put the value of dx upon dt and dy upon dt. Dx upon dt is given minus 5, then write minus 5, plus dy upon dt is given 4, then minus 5 plus 4, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. We are discussing about what? Perimeter. Then write centimeter per minute. So see, rate of change of perimeter is coming minus 2 centimeter per second. Now second part, question is saying find the rate of change of area of rectangle. Then we know that, I am solving it in next page. Area of rectangle is equal to what? L into B, and value of L and B are given X and Y. Now again differentiate both sides with respect to time. So it becomes what? dA upon dt is equal to, and see, we have two different values, so we will apply what? We will apply product rule. So first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. Now we will put the value of x, y, dx and dy. See, x is given how much? X is given 8 centimeter. So 8 into dy upon dt, and dy upon dt is already given. Dy upon dt is given 8, and see value of dy upon dt. dy upon dt is given 4 centimeter plus y is given 6 centimeter into dx upon dt is what? Minus 5 centimeter per minute. See, value of dx upon dt and dy upon dt are given minus 5 and 4. So write minus 5. Now solve it. The value of dx upon dA upon dt is equal to 32 plus minus 30. So finally value of d upon dt is coming 2 centimeter square. See, we are finding what? Area. So centimeter square, and we are differentiating with respect to time, then per minute, which is your final answer. So please note down student question number 7. Now see question number Now see question number 8.